carry me come today. And I know this man now, where they call Sanusi, the former governor of CBN, you understand, before he can come out, come become the Petroleum minister. Okay, I carry matter come, make I tell you what they happen now. This is breaking news. Former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, Sanusi Lamido. Sanusi has declared that the president of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, should not double as the minister of Petroleum. Sanusi made the submission on Thursday while speaking with the bank directors. And I understand. So I bring down the stuff here, which you can read yourself, I understand. Then use your mind and calculate. So now so you carry come. I miss TV, your girl Joy. Please don't forget to click the red button there, okay? Hey, share, comment too.